Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day. Today we're going to look at how to upload files to ChatGPT. So you might want to upload files like spreadsheets or a Word document or photos that you want to work on in ChatGPT. And it's really easy to do that. So open a new chat. Click on the plus icon and you'll see like a little paperclip here that says add photos and files. So I'm going to click on that. It will open up a tab where you can search for files on your computer. So just for this video, I'm going to upload a photo I have of a puppy. So I'm going to click on that, open, and that will upload the file into ChatGPT. From there, I can ask anything about the file or ask for any adjustments. So I can edit the photo here or work on it in any way I want with ChatGPT. So that's it for today's video. Hope that was helpful. Like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.